Hey dudes, here's how to film on a phone without a tripod. So I'm gonna use my old J7 as an example. First, find a flat surface to put your phone on. For example, a table, on a laptop, on an old CRT TV, or on a shelf. Second, find something to lean your phone against, like this, or this. So on the shelf, we already have something for the phone to lean against. And you put the phone, and ta-da! Number 3, if your phone slips, find something to stop it. I usually recommend using a handkerchief, or any cloth will do, because any kind of friction is gonna stop the phone from falling. So I'm gonna put the handkerchief on the bottom and put the phone on it, like so. So that's how to film with your phone without a tripod. So anyways dudes, I'm Newecreator, and see you later. Happy filming! Woo. So I'm gonna use my old J7 for an example. No. Second, find something your phone to lean. Nope. Number 2. Find something Number 3. So if your phone is slipping, find something for it to be stopped. So that's how to film your phone.
Yep, that's how you film your phone.